and I am John Gilliat, and we are back for the final lesson in this How to Play Fiery Rumba Flamenco video series. So this takes a few flamenco techniques, puts them into a style that I really enjoy with flamenco called Rumba Flamenco. There are a lot of flamenco styles and flamenco forms, just too much for us ever to get into in a little mini series, so I thought I'd take the rumba style, which I really love. And in this particular lesson, we're going to be talking about the harmonic minor scale. So in the last lesson, we talked about these chords, A minor, D minor, A minor, and E minor. And those are the chords that belong to the A minor scale. But in flamenco and in a lot of Spanish tunes, we like to turn this minor chord into a major chord because it's got this real strong pull with that new note that takes you from this note to our A note. In the last lesson, we also talked about the minor scale, which we found was pretty simple to memorize. So this new scale, which is an A harmonic minor scale, only has one thing different. It's just a single note. The seventh, the final note in the scale, if you were to play it, starting from the A note, we raise it. That's it. And that creates our new scale. Why did we raise it? Well, we had to because that cool chord that gets us back to A minor. Let's take a look at the scale. A note. I'll go up the scale and I'll count the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be our seventh note, and then you're back to an A note. But because we're playing a harmonic minor scale, we're going to raise that note. And it makes sense why we raise the note because our chord that we use has that raised note. So why would we play the open note? Because that open note just wouldn't sound right against this chord. It gives us this a really bad clash. Here's this note with this note together. Doesn't sound too good, does it? So we want to change that note. So when we do hit this chord, we're playing the right note at the right time to make everything sound super cool. Here's the way our scale looks now if you raise that note. Instead of going 3-1-0, you're going to go 4-1-0. Here it is here. Now, doesn't that sound Spanish? Why does it work? Because of this note. Okay, let's add some more of the notes. The rest of the scale is same as before. Here is that raised note we talked about before. I'm not going to play the open string this time. And then that didn't change. And so all you have to remember is that changed, which means the other E string changed, and this changed, because you're going to this chord. Let's put it all together. So here's my chord, and using lots of legato so it's easy to play quickly. Let's go back to the A minor. D minor. So that's it. I hope you really enjoyed this little mini series on a look at how to play some flamenco techniques, how to play a style called Rumba Flamenco, which is, I wouldn't say it's one of my favorite flamenco forms, but it's definitely up there, and I really enjoy playing it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again soon.